see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing? I hope you guys are okay. I hope you're still keeping safe and follow the restrictions. I know 2020 has been such a tough year, and I know everyone has been going through such a hard time, but you guys just have to stay positive and keep creative, keep being you. You just have to adapt to the situation and learn as much as possible from it. In this video, I'm gonna create Momo makeup look because Halloween is just around the corner, you guys. So I'm pretty excited. I know Momo has been on social media for a while, but lots of people have been using complicating ways with like prosthetics and wax and latex and all of them just to create that look. But in today's video, I'm just gonna use a body painting and eyeshadows. So super easy. So make sure you watch this whole video to learn how to create it for this Halloween coming up. Let's get it started. So firstly, I'm just gonna prepare my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna use like a clear brow setter to make them as flat as possible. You guys can use also paper glue or Pros-Aid or spirit gum as well, but then I just used the brow gel because I just find it easier and it was a bit more handy, so that's why. But yeah, after you set your eyebrows, you're gonna start with your base. I'm gonna be using a sponge for this and my white paint from Kryolan. It's aqua paint, so it's water based. So I'm just gonna dab my sponge into this and literally create like a nice base on the whole face. Okay, after you get like a pale base, then you're gonna wanna start with your contouring and creating like the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. For the contouring, I will be using like a brown eyeshadow, so I don't wanna go very hard with the body painting. So yeah, I'm just gonna basically contour the nose, try to create it a bit more wide, and then you can just use like a fluffy brush. This is my eyeshadow brush, so I'm just gonna go with the brown. And what you want to do, obviously the eye's gonna start from somewhere here, so I can literally mark it.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us, and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons.
And I'm also gonna follow my dark circles line. So obviously just keep it there. Try and use like a darker brown.
Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
then just literally follow like your natural lines. So around the nose, I just, obviously because my brush is quite fluffy, so it can go a bit over, but yeah, just follow that natural circle.
And the tides will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word.
And then obviously, you know, you create this when you smile. So my smile is gonna start from somewhere here. So I'm just gonna create the facial expressions ones.
And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me.
You also want to minimize your double chin. So you're just gonna go with the brush.
'Cause you got me holding. 'Cause you got me holding.
Okay, and then you can start with your body painting. So I will be using my black color now from Krylon. Make sure you use tiny brush like that and make it as creamy as possible so it sets easier. I will be coloring most of my upper lip. Just start, it's basically like that.
And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. 'Cause you got me holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh. 'Cause you got me holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Okay, then we're gonna move to the eyes. So what you want to do is just basically create like the circle. Just do the contour with the black and then fill it in with the white, and just basically use some eyeshadow. I'll show you. So around your contour,
My tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
hi guys, I just want to remind you to make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some oil.
And then obviously you want to do the inside as well. So for that you need to close your eyes.
I go, 'cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it, see what I see in it. I'm typical, messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, fuck with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet. you fly.
It doesn't have to be identical because Momo is like a weird creature anyway, so. Okay. Then next I will be going with the white paint to fill it in.
The bone is broken up and how sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let off the rules, cause there's so much fun.
Now I'm just highlighting and shading to create exactly that kind of transition that the eyes are literally coming out and the mouth and everything, so you don't have to use any of the prosthetics and stuff.
Done well, bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly, cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up and how sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up and now come alive with me and quit the jealousy. I know you're bored, I know it's boring me. Now come alive, baby, get out the grave and I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up and how sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up how does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up how sad.
This is a blonde Momo.